Do you ever feel like you are failing in life? I get it, because sometimes I feel like I'm failing in life, specifically my content creating career. I've been doing this for over 2 years. I have over 100 videos, yet every now and then I feel like I am failing, and I start to feel down, I start to feel sad, I start to feel frustrated. But you know what? I never ever let myself feel so low, so deep in darkness that I cannot see the light. Why? Because I do one of 7 things to kick me out of that mindset of failing and kick me back into the mindset that I am achieving success at my own pace. And so today's video, I want to share with you all 7 things that I do, and I hope that if you are feeling like you're failing in life, whatever aspect it may be, health, career, general personal development, that one of these 7 things can help you get out of that mindset of your failing and let you know on a, your level that you're not failing in life. You're just, I don't know, maybe hitting a little hiccup. Hello, I'm Pachia. Welcome back to my channel, where it is all about having a good time. Teaching, inspiring, motivating, entertaining. So if you are looking for a good time all the time, then consider subscribing. There is a process to success. And during that process, you're going to have moments of feeling like a failure. But I want you to know right now, you are not failing. You are just achieving success at your own pace. Let's make that an affirmation. I am achieving success at my own pace. And every time you're feeling like a failure, repeat that affirmation. I want it to uplift you. I want it to, what's that another word? Not change you. I want it to motivate you. I want it to reset your mindset that you are not in competition with anyone. No one is giving you a deadline. You're not on a certain timeline, because you are achieving success at your own pace. Let's go ahead and jump into the first thing to do when you are feeling like a failure, or you're feeling like you're failing in life, whether it be career, health, or fitness, or what else should we jump into? Like general personal development. The first thing I want you to do is to celebrate. We all have a thing that we attach to success. And if that thing doesn't happen, we're not going to celebrate. But that is so messed up. We need to celebrate every tiny win along the way. Because every tiny win along the way is achieving to the big picture, achieving to what we think or what we want or what we claim to be success. My old mindset, I would say that I would only celebrate when I hit my 1,000 subscribers, or when I hit my first brand deal, or when I hit my first YouTube paycheck. But waiting for those things to manifest into 3D was killing my inspiration, was killing my motivation, which led to, feeling like a failure. So now my mindset has shifted, and now I celebrate everything, every view, every subscriber, every teeny tiny win. My most recent celebration, my custom URL. Now, when I say I celebrate, I'm not actually doing anything like physical, like jumping up and down or going out to eat at a fancy restaurant. No. I celebrate by thanking the universe, thanking you, and then thanking me for not giving up. But I ain't gonna lie, when I received the notification that I was able to custom my URL, it made me feel so good. Having my custom YouTube URL just makes me feel more like an official content creator. Like, even though I haven't met the requirements to get paid for my content, that doesn't matter. It's just like that feeling of like, yeah, I'm an official YouTuber. I'm official content creator because I have my own URL. That's so exciting, and that was definitely something to celebrate. The second thing I want you to do when you are feeling like a failure is to take a break. I script all my videos. So when I'm having writer's block, I take a break. Sometimes it's 1 day, sometimes it's 10 days. You decide how long you need to take a break for. I suggest taking a break long enough to feel renewed and rejuvenated. I have taken a break longer than 10 days or almost 10 days, and I don't suggest it, because taking that long of a break for me was just like not good for my creativity. Like I still like, I just felt like I took too long of a break where it was harder for me to get inspired and motivated. So again, if you're going to take a break because you are feeling like a failure, take a break for as long as you need, not as long as you want. The third thing I want you to do when you are feeling like a failure is talk about your feelings. Another word that comes to mind when I'm feeling like a failure is frustration. I just had to take a deep breath there because there is a lot of pressure I put on myself to succeed as a content creator. Like I've been doing this for over 2 years, and if I do not succeed as a content creator, like what the hell have I been doing in my life? Like I'm telling y'all, the moments I feel like failure are real. So when I feel like this, I talk to my person, which is my husband. He has like no desire to be a content creator himself, but he knows me, he loves me, he supports me, and he wants to see me succeed. So if you're going to talk to a person about your moments of feeling like a failure, make sure it is someone who loves you, supports you, and wants to see you succeed. Because newsflash, hard truth, not every single person in your life wants to see you succeed. The fourth thing you can do when you are feeling like a failure is to surround yourself with like-minded people. I don't have any friends who are content creators. Not one. When I feel like I'm failing and I need to surround myself with like-minded people, I watch the people that I follow. I follow people for inspiration, motivation. Some I follow for laughs. Some I just follow because I love their lifestyle. I watch all their vlogs. And then I've also joined Facebook support groups. So like Facebook content creating groups. I follow a couple, and it's just great to be around people who are doing what you're doing, you know, sharing the same mindset. But most importantly, we can offer each other words of encouragement. In this moment, I have no idea where you're feeling like you're feeling in life, but let's just pretend you are feeling like a failure in your health and fitness. Let's face it, it's the new year, and a lot of us are trying to get that body right for summer. But anyways, off topic. If you feel like you are failing in your health, I suggest go to the park, go to the gym, surround yourself with people who are doing what you're doing, working on their health. You don't have to make friends with them. You don't have to start conversation with them. The point is to be around people who are doing what you're doing. You can absorb all that energy, get inspired, get motivated, and get your body moving. Like I know it is hard to surround yourself with people, to open up to yourself with people, or just to like be in that era of who you want to be and what success you're trying to chase. Not chase, attract. But when you're surrounded by other people who are just doing what you're doing, it feels so good. You know, it feels like, you know what? It feels like you're understood and you're supported. Again, like I don't have any content creating friends, but I surround myself through the internet and through social support groups. I guess what's called like content creating groups. The fifth thing you can do when you are feeling like a failure, positive self-talk. Like I know when you're feeling failure, you're in a negative mindset. Let's cancel all that negativity mindset with some positivity mindset. So you need to tell yourself something really, really good about yourself. In fact, take this moment right now in the comments. Let me know something really, really good, really, really cool about yourself. When I am feeling like a failure, my positive self-talk, I remind myself how far I've come. I sometimes even, I feel so like, ick. What's a slang word for ick? Cringy. I feel cringe for saying this, but I will watch my videos from 6 months ago to see how far I've come, to see how far I've gotten better in my presence on camera, editing. Clearly, if you watch my videos from like 6 months ago, and definitely not from a year ago, and please don't watch my very first video, my camera personality, my confidence has, I'm gonna just say what it is, it has skyrocketed. I have become a lot more comfortable on camera. So when you're feeling like you're failing, tell yourself something really, really good about yourself, or towards yourself. I'm Asian, and I've always I'm really self-conscious about the way I talk, because I know, well, no, my grammar, right? Like I'm really self-conscious, and this is actually one of the reasons why I won't ever blog, because I don't think I will ever feel comfortable or confident enough to write and be like, okay, is my grammar correct? So talking like this is a lot easier, but sometimes I feel like my words, get mixed up, and yeah, it doesn't sound like proper English. But anyways, let's not get off topic and move to the sixth thing. The sixth thing. Let's start this over. Let's move forward to the sixth thing you can do when you are feeling like a failure. The sixth thing you can do when you are feeling like a failure is to acknowledge and release. This is like a two-part system, but it's really just like one thing you can do. First, acknowledge that you're feeling like a failure. Acknowledge that negative feeling. Welcome it and honor it. And then ask yourself, what is triggering this negative feeling, this negative mindset, this negative thought? For me, the feeling of failure is triggered when I don't see one of my videos perform well. A video that performs well for me, looking at the numbers and my subscriber count, is a video that gets at least 100 views. Now, I only have a handful of videos with 100+ views, so you can only imagine how often I feel like a failure. Like, yeah. Yes. Once that negative feeling or thought of, oh my gosh, I'm failing in life, oh my gosh, I'm a failure, has been acknowledged, release it to the universe. The feelings has already been welcomed and honored. Release it back to the universe, because a negative thought does not have to overpower you, does not have to overcome you. By just releasing the negative thought to the universe is a positive thought. And a positive thought is 100 times more powerful than a negative thought. So if you are feeling like a failure, you do not ignore the feeling. You do not push it down. Don't pretend it doesn't exist. Acknowledge it and release it. Here we are at the last but not least, seventh thing you can do when you are feeling like a failure, which is to show up. I show up every single week. If I'm not filming, I'm editing, researching, writing, advertising. I am constantly working on my channel and finding ways to grow as a content creator. I don't know why that sounded so slow, but let's just roll with it. Being a content creator is one of the hardest jobs I've ever had, but I'm going to show up every single week. And feeling like a failure is not the universe's way of saying the success you desire is not meant for you. No, it's not. The moments you feel like a failure, that's just a feeling that you have because of everything that's going on around you. You asked for success. The universe has said yes to your success. The universe is not going to give you that success when you want it. The universe is going to give you that success or show you that success or bless you with that success in its own unimaginable perfect timing. I said earlier in this video, there is a process to success. And just because you are feeling like a failure doesn't actually mean that you're failing. The success that you desire is already yours. Claim it, believe it, live it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for watching this video. I hope that you found one of these 7 things to help you get out of that nasty negative mindset of, oh my gosh, I'm failing, because you are not failing. You are just achieving success at your own pace. If you are feeling me, you're just like, girl, we need to hang out on a weekly basis, then click that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. So till then, have a wonderful day and relaxing week.